Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Tiffany Savona, and we've been tracking rain since yesterday morning across the valley. So check out some of the rain totals so far. Jamestown in North Dakota, rather, 1.25 inches. Cavalier, just under 1 inch of rain. Grand Forks, about 3/4 of an inch. Thief River Falls in Minnesota, almost 1/4 of an inch. And at the airport in Fargo, we really haven't picked up anything. 1/100th of an inch, but just north of Fargo and Harwood, we have picked up just about a 1/2 inch. That shows you where the heavier downpours have been across the region over the past day. But we're really going to add to these totals as we head into the upcoming weekend. And we're adding to some of the totals right now. Most of the rain has been scattered west of Fargo, and that northernmost rain starting to dissipate and push northward across portions of northern Minnesota. So we may get some dry time this afternoon. We're still dry in Fargo. We're dry in Grand Forks, but some light rain impacting Jamestown and points to the south. Carrington, also up into Devil's Lake. We've seen some spotty showers here and there. They've been on the light side for the most part. And we still have some light rain. Rock Lake into portions of Cavalier. So we will likely add to that Cavalier total, but Howlock starting to dry things out as the showers push north of the international border. Temperatures have been slow to rise today due to the rain. Look at Grand Forks, 65, Jamestown, 61 in Devil's Lake. So these areas that have seen more rain will only top out in the 60s today. Fargo, you're actually north of that front. That's why you're only at 70 degrees right now. But we're at 72 in Wadena and 72 in Brainerd, 73 in Bemidji. So some of our spots into central and western Minnesota have seen a little bit more sunshine today. And here are the winds. Winds are anywhere from 5 to about 15 miles per hour. And you can see in Fargo, winds are out of the north and east. That's why we are a little bit cooler. And south of that front into portions of Minnesota, we are a little bit warmer, especially with the help of that sunshine. So here's what to expect hour by hour. We will see a lull in the activity as we get into the afternoon, but closer to the evening commute and those Friday night football games, we will get another batch of scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms in here. So we're hoping it's just some rain because the kids can at least play in the rain. It's not going to be pleasant if it's raining, but at least we can get the game in. Temperatures will be on the mild side. By tomorrow morning, there could be some showers around, but the bulk of the action won't come until the afternoon. And you could see that rain is quite heavy. We could see some stronger thunderstorms develop as well anytime tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And that is why we have made tomorrow a first alert weather day for the potential for those strong thunderstorms and heavy downpours. So the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted most of the valley. It includes Fargo and points to the south in a marginal risk for severe storms. That's a 1 out of 5 on the scale. So it's a low end threat. Gusty winds, large hail, heavy rain will be the main threats. We can't rule out an isolated tornado, but that is going to be on the low end. The heavy rain threat is going to be big. Look at how much we could see through Sunday night, 1 to 3 inches with some isolated higher totals. The best chances for those higher totals across southeast North Dakota, lesser amounts farther to the north into Minnesota. The silver lining with the rain, it will help out the drought conditions that have developed across Minnesota and also North Dakota. So scattered showers and thunderstorms will redevelop later on today. Heaviest rain falls Saturday evening into very early Sunday morning. 1 to 3 inches possible. A couple of lingering showers in Minnesota on Monday. Otherwise, we're drying out. Next week looks pretty nice for the first full week of fall. It is going to be a mild start to the fall season with highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s. Bobby?